Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we're offering this morning is a 1920s Northwestern match vending machine. This is a cool little machine. Basically it's about 50-50, half cast iron, half bent steel cabinet. Top is cast iron, bottom's cast iron, mechanism's cast iron. And here it says push, you'll see that in the videos, cast iron. It's done in a really pretty red, in good playing condition. Now these old match vendors use larger boxes of matches. You know, you get little thin ones now, they need to be thicker. Let me show you an example of it. So it uses these larger boxes. Back in the day, this is what they used at the turn of the century and the 20s, probably even into the 30s. And as you see, it's a double column, so I just took this one out of here. Then you put another penny in it. Come on, penny. And then it goes this way. Okay, so it actually empties it left and right. So it's a two column vendor. I'll show you inside of it here. So it goes left, right, and then this is your cash box is down here in the cast iron. It's in very nice condition, runs good, looks good. I am including 6 antique boxes for you so that you can use it. There's no matches in them. And these are actually made out of wood. The housing out here is all wood. Then it's a actual cardboard interior, but they're actually wood boxes. It's a great little machine. It's ready to go by before noon. We'll have it out same day. Nice 1920s cast iron bent sheet metal match vending machine. And always remember, we're doing restorations. If you have anything, and let's say you buy something in Ohio and you live in New York, we'll get it picked up in Ohio. We'll have it brought here. We will restore it and send it to your home in New York. If you'll just send us some pictures, we'll get you a price. And don't forget, we do layaway. Did one this morning. We all like to be able to make some payments on larger items. So if you know, we'll work with you. We'll put some money down. We'll hang on to it till it's paid off. Then we'll get it shipped out. Thanks for watching our videos. And somebody's going to get just a really cute little match vendor today.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.